This 30-inch double oven by Frigidaire is part of the Professional Series. It has a smudge-proof stainless front with the signature Frigidaire logo, 2 extra-large black glass viewing windows, and 2 pro-style stainless handles. The control panel is also smudge-proof stainless with a capacitive touch LED clock and dual timers. It has 2 sets of metal knobs that independently control the 10 oven functions and temperatures. Inside each 5.3 cubic foot oven is a black porcelain interior and a combined total of 6 racks, including 4 flat racks, 1 gliding rack, and 1 air fry tray, with 6 marked rack positions, a convection fan, and 2 halogen oven lights. In addition, the upper oven comes with a temperature probe outlet. To learn more about wall ovens, check out our buying guide at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.